Ever wondered where your hidden chats went? Let's uncover the mystery of locked chats on WhatsApp. To start, open your WhatsApp and go to the chat list. Hidden chats are often placed in a secret folder. Swipe down the chat list. This reveals the hidden chats section. Keep swiping until you reach the end. Once you spot a locked chat, tap and hold to reveal options. This way, you can manage your hidden conversations. Don't forget, these chats are hidden for a reason. Ensure your privacy is intact before you reveal them. Now you know how to access your hidden chats. Keep your conversations secure and easily accessible. Remember, safeguarding your privacy is key. So, explore and enjoy these features responsibly. Feel free to dive deeper into WhatsApp settings and discover more features that enhance your experience. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Unlock your chatting experience with confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay connected and informed about your favorite apps.